Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Curls Next Door here. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. This channel is all about natural hair DIYs, lifestyle, and a little bit of travel. If you like that type of content, please consider subscribing down below. In today's video, as you have seen by the title, this is going to be a very small Marshalls haul. I stopped into Marshalls a couple of weekends ago and they had their yellow tag sale as well as their red tag sale, and I picked up just a few things that I wanted to share with you. I have some natural hair products as well as some beauty items. So please keep watching. So the very first item that I picked up is this Natural Elements back scrubber, and it is made of cotton, charcoal, and flaxseed. I love this back scrubber. This is definitely a repurchase for me. I've been using this for quite some time now and I love this brand. This definitely detoxifies my skin and it is gentle to the touch, and that's the reason why it'll always be in my arsenal. And the next thing I picked up for my girls are the Kenzie Exfoliating Bath and Shower Body Scrubbers, and this is in a 2-pack. This one does not have charcoal or it's not made of cotton, but I have used this before. This brand is very good for if you are on a budget. I would definitely recommend this. The next thing that I picked up is this Fashionista Diva shower cap, and this is what it looks like. I did just open it and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. This is an extra large shower cap, and I picked this up because it said it is mold resistant, and that's just what I need. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this pretty little bow, painting and printings on it, and I just love the fact that this is big enough to fit on my head. It covers my entire hair. I just find it is so girly and it's so feminine, so definitely a repurchase for me. The next thing I picked up was this exfoliating gloves, and it comes 2 in this little package here, and it is by the brand, is it Live Green or Live Green? I'm not sure, but this wasn't on sale. It was actually $4 at my Marshalls. I have never ever used this particular brand before, but I highly recommend using exfoliating gloves on your skin just to get rid of all the dead skin off your body. Exfoliating gloves is a must in my household, and I use this every single time I take my shower. Okay, so the next things that I ordered were from the brand Expressions, and I ordered a edge cap and an interchangeable seamless cap, and these are caps that you can sleep in. They are just like this, and they are sleeping caps, so they are made of satin. I believe this one is reversible. You can do it inside out. Let me just show you what they look like. Alright, this one is interchangeable, so you can flip this inside or out. And I really like the fact that this is satin. It's very soft to the touch and it does not eat away at your edges, and I like the fact that it is extra large, so you can use it all black or you can flip it inside out. And I love the security that it gives me. I just know when I wake up in the morning, this cap is still gonna be on my head because it has the extra large edge part of it that goes all the way down to the end of your ear. And the other one, the seamless cap, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty much the same. The material is actually the same material as well, and they are both red on the inside, which I had no clue. I thought I was getting two different things. So I'm really excited to try these. Okay, so moving into some skincare items, I picked up this EcoTools masking kit, and this helps you put your face mask on evenly. I have not tried this yet. Instructions on the back are very simple. It tells you to use which brush where. So I'm excited to try this for when I'm doing my face mask. Then I could not leave this behind. This is the from the brand Cook's Corner, and it is a 3-piece silicone spatula set, and I picked this up for $2 from Marshalls. And I am going to be using this when I create my homemade hair DIYs. This Avian Natural Mineral Water Facial Spray. I picked this up so that I could re-moisturize or rehydrate my face in between at my break times when I am at work. That mask is constantly rubbing against my face and is causing a lot of breakouts on me. So I thought this might be good. I'm gonna try it to see if this is gonna work for me, just to keep my face hydrated while I wear my face mask. So I'll definitely keep you posted on this. Next, I have, for my face, I picked up the Shea Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Kaolin Clay Soap with activated charcoal. And this is a detoxifier. And I know it says that it's for skin, but I am definitely using this right now. I do have one in my shower that I'm using on my face. Only because it has that minty feel, and it is detoxifying my skin. I could feel the difference already, especially where I am breaking out in my cheek areas. I use this soap, and I think definitely that this is a plus for me. Soap. If you want to see any updates on this, please leave a comment in the description box below. Now on to the final items, which are the natural hair products. I just wanted to show you that I picked up the rose water, and it is 100% natural and is made of distilled rose water. And this was on clearance for $6 at my Marshalls. And I am planning on using this rose water in a few of my DIYs that I am going to have shortly on my channel. So if you like that, please subscribe down below and keep watching for more videos. And this is the Tom's of Maine Natural Moisturizing Body Wash, and this is in Creamy Coconut. This body wash has no sulfates, no parabens, no artificial fragrances, preservatives, or foaming agents. Yes, it does not foam up, but it is very effective. The ingredients are awesome. They have ingredients such as sunflower oil, vitamin E, and extra virgin coconut oil in here. All the ingredients are natural, which I love. I don't just use natural products in my hair, I also use them on my skin if I can. So this is definitely a plus for me. I picked up the creamy coconut and also a lavender, which I have in my shower at the moment. And I really enjoy this. I picked up the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. And I am really psyched and excited to use this. I'm going to use this probably in the next coming weeks in an upcoming video for you guys. I know that green tea definitely aids in your hair growth. It is also a DHT blocker, which means it helps regenerate hair growth in certain areas where hair is falling out. So I'm going to try this. Okay, and last but not least, I have from the brand Aeromere, and it is a shampoo bar made with neem, and it says it's for all hair types. Now I have never used this before, but I purchased this because it is sulfate free, gluten free. It is also cruelty free. It is paraben free. It is also good for travel. The scent is not the best. It's not strong either, but it's not the best scent, and I could definitely smell the neem in here. So I'm so ready to use this shampoo bar. You guys just don't know. I can't believe I stumbled upon this in a Marshalls, and I never heard about it before. There's only one review here on YouTube about this soap. So my review will shortly be coming up, and I will let you know if the shampoo bar worked in my favor or not. Okay guys, so that is it for my video today. I hope you like what you see. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. And until the next time, God bless, and I love you. Stay safe, guys.